your elbow.
There you go. Touch. Ah, Nevy.
Do it again.
Like it?
Touch. You're so close.
Do it. Come on. Do it.
Touch. Yay!
Good job. One more time. Nevy. Nobody's touching you. There's Hannah's hands. And there's Mommy's hands. You're doing it all by yourself. Look at you and the finger. Hey, Clicky. You are a happy camper.